It's my 36th year in the movies, and आज तक मैं फिल्में करता हूँ, and it's 21 years to my label, and I think the give back is, there are different kinds of empowerment, charity, all of that, right? But I think for me the biggest, the thing that gives me the maximum pleasure is meeting young students. क्योंकि उनकी आंखों में एक सपना होता है उनकी, and sometimes confusion भी होती है, and I think meeting them, talking to them, and reassuring them or helping them go out there and achieve what they want to achieve is the best comeback any artist can do, whether it's an actor, film director, designer, painter, whoever. So I think interacting with the younger generation is something I like to do, and via my relationship with LST and I have for more than 10 years, that's something that I really enjoy doing, is coming and meeting them, making them happy, speaking to them. Like for example, अभी मैंने काफ़ी कपड़े देखे, मैंने उनसे कहा कि बहुत अच्छे आइडियाज़ हैं, the students and the Gen Z is thinking so differently. I'm very happy with NIF that as teachers they're also encouraging them to think differently. मुझे लगा कि they should work a lot more on their guts and all of that, which is what I advise them, and now they will do that. So I think वो एक coming and sharing your views and sharing your experiences with a room full of youngsters and students is always it's very enriching to me as well. I also get to learn something from them, from the questions that they are asking, and it's always a wonderful day to be with students.
Okay, and what types of questions they are asking?
Two questions. Mostly they're a little confused. कि क्या करना है? Should they get into fashion business? Should they get into fashion design, women's wear, men's wear? And I remember जब मुझे fashion designer बनना था 88-89 में, उस वक्त कोई कोर्स नहीं था men's का in Mumbai, and मैं भी confused था. I used to model and I used to make sketches, and मुझे अपनी कोई भी sketch पसंद नहीं आती थी. तो मैं अपने आप से पूछता था कि do I really want to be the designer? I love films and उस वक्त फिल्मों में भी कोई ऐसा established designer नहीं था. भानु जी थी, and भानु जी had moved on to doing a lot more period films. So मुझे लगा नहीं, मुझे फिल्में भी अच्छी लगती हैं, मुझे कपड़े भी अच्छे लगते हैं, let me blend the two together. So I think I didn't have a voice to help me or somebody to advise me. I followed my instinct, and it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. So I think that it's very important that people like us who've been working for very long should meet up with students and direct them on their path, on their journey, because they are at times confused. कि करना है नहीं करना है. They're unhappy of their sketches. They're unhappy. Sometimes there's parental pressure. So all of that. It's always good to speak to them.
Manish, could you tell us something about how do you direct the students on what is their, how do you evaluate the student that this person is good for business, this person is good for designing and fashion, this person is good for costume designing?
Well, I think based on their interest, it's very important. Like I'm not good at business, so I was more always inclined towards design, or towards movies, towards color, towards painting, towards sketches, and I learned business on my way, by making a lot of mistakes. But today there are institutes like that, or like NIF, where we are, and London School of Trends, where we can guide them. Then of course it depends on their hard work. It completely depends on how much of a heart they put into it.
Your upcoming movie, because everyone is know you are a turned producer, designer turned producer, so please tell us.
Well, I'm still designing costumes.
Still designing.
I'm just on Kiara's looking toxic, and so movies ka I'm right now working with Atlee. I just did some costumes for Deepika and Allu Arjun. So the journey of costumes goes on. I just did a song for Sara in a film that it's a Dharma film that's coming. So वो चलता रहता है. I think movies and मेरा एक ऐसा relationship है जो कभी छूटता नहीं. And producing movies, I produced 3. It's a very different path I've chosen. And once again, I'm turning the path and going to do a very different kind of film. It's a project that I'm working on, and we're right now on the script. And of course, where business is concerned and fashion is concerned, very important to keep launching different verticals, exciting yourself on newer journeys, and I think I look forward to that.
Could you tell us something about your journey in fashion and your collaboration or relationship with NIF?
See, my collaboration with NIF is, of course, to reach out to students. How else am I going to reach out to many students, talk to them? And we travel. We recently, just last month, were in Indore. Today we are here. We have a plan, after every 2 months, go to a news center. I meet new people, I answer their question, I meet new youngsters. I see their work, I guide them. This is the best way I can reach out to students, and I absolutely love doing that.
And
Convincing.
and students will get inspired by you and your journey. But do you also get inspired by students?
Of course.
Some of their design, some of their creativity.
Of course, it's the Gen Z, it's the youngster who is going to make that big difference. And of course, I want to see fashion is a evolving process. Fashion is a young process. And even in my own headquarters, I have all young assistants. I'm constantly listening to them in my office. We don't have a hierarchy system. Even interns are included in meetings. I love to hear their own mind. If you won't learn, it's like technology. As technology progresses, you've got to adapt it. You can't stand against it. It's progress, and I think every field, the younger voices should be heard.
Sir, I feel fashion has a commitment issues because it keeps changing.
Doesn't life have commitment issues these days?
Yes,
Yeah.
but fashion especially has commitment issues. What I
Every-
mean by
yeah.
that is it keeps changing, and as you said, rightly evolving. So, how do you think you can future-proof the generation?
You can't really, right? Because it is a changing process. But that's the excitement, right? For me, I find that exciting. Like I find that कि कुछ नया करने का. There's something new constantly. There's something new to learn. There's something new to do. And I think that is what it has become a very fashion is an exciting profession, at least for me. It's something that we constantly are on the move, constantly on the go. So I think that's the best part of it.
मैडम सर यहाँ पर आए हैं तो would you like to say something? कितना बड़ा privilege moment होता है आपके लिए?
Extremely grateful, privileged, and if thankfulness had more words, we would share it all with Manish.
No, it's completely my pleasure.
To have him here with us and guide them, even like a single advice can change their lives. And coming from such an icon, one-on-one in front of them, I think this opportunity is once in a lifetime, which students are getting, and we are really really grateful for having him. His experiences that he's going to share with the students, I think it will help them so much in their journey, and we're just extremely thankful to you.
I should not even know that I'm actually more thankful because it gives me a day to meet students, because of course every day I'm in my headquarters working with a lot of young people, but then they're working together, right? But here it is literally meeting them, seeing that dream in their eyes and answering their questions. So for me so I'm actually thankful for having me come here and of course meet all of you.
Your advice to students, upcoming budding talent, how
Well, like you said, fashion also is very attractive. So I constantly tell the students, ask yourselves, honestly, is this what you want to do, or you're just attracted to the fact that it's fashionable to be in fashion? So that's one question which is very important, that they ask their soul. Then of course comes lots of different ways that it can be associated with fashion. It could be the business of fashion, it could be fashion communication, it could be product design, it can be so many multiple things. So that's the guidance that we actually, whenever we speak to students. And of course then there's always an interview, there's always a talk on stage where they ask me questions and the students get to hear how I'm thinking, what were the thoughts in my journey, what were the failures, what were the achievements, how did I come over the bad days? Because today's younger generation gets anxious. So you've got to teach them patience, you've got to teach them that listen, life is not, every day is not Sunday. So it's okay, you've got to tide it. So that's another advice that I constantly share with young people. And don't be disheartened, just keep going.
Ma'am, your advice to the students.
our advice every day to students would be to look up to people like Manish sir, you know, who with hard work, with their, such determination, and this journey is something that students can learn from it so much, that how he started, at such a young age, and today what kind of, there is no, you say fashion, it's Manish Malhotra, which comes to your mind first. Indian fashion means Manish Malhotra.
No, I think what's
No.
also amazing today. Sorry, you were saying something.
No, sir, that's
No, I think what's amazing today is that look at the amount of designers doing good work. There are a lot of young designers today who have new voices, and I think that's so good, right? So yeah.
So what are three non-negotiable things as a student you will do?
Newness, very important, especially for young students. In a crowded space, if they're not going to come out with something new, it's very difficult. See, at our times there were lesser people. We made mistakes and we learned from it and we went. And there was not so much social media. So why social media puts you out there faster, right?
Yeah.
But you have to also come up with something very new. I would say newness. I would say consistency. The fact that we've lasted for so many years is that we've corrected our mistakes. We've got up the next day and said, "ये गलती हुई, ये अच्छा नहीं था, but आज इसको हम बैठ के ठीक करेंगे." So that consistency is very important. And I think what's non-negotiable for me is hard work. I mean, for me, hard work is something that comes even above talent.
Yeah, great.